going to discuss about Central Management Server in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So at here, it allows user to store a list of instances of SQL Server. So let's see how to do that. So first we need to go at here, View tab, click there, and here after you should click at here, Registered Server. Click there. Now here after the next thing is add here. So here you can find local group server, and here there are two, Lenovo PC and Lenovo PC SQL server. Now here you can find central management servers. So that if you click here, so here you can find Lenovo PC and here server. Now here after I'm going to create new. Right click, here you can find register central management server. Click there. And here I'm logging with Lenovo PC SQL Server 17. Now here after let's click. So here let's click on browse and here plus, and here there are three instances. So I'm going to log in with at here SQL Server 12. Click OK. Now here after let's give SQL Server authentication, and here going to give SA, and here give the password of SA. Now here after let's click on test. So the connection was tested successfully. Click on OK and save that. So there is a one server added. Now here after right click, here you can add more. Register server, and here let's select this time 17, and here going to log in with SA, and here give the password. Now test successful. Click on save. Now here after the next thing is right here Lenovo PC. Now double click on here Lenovo PC server, and here give the password of SA. Now click on connect. So it's connected here. Now double click here, you can see here SQL server that is come there. Now hereafter I'm going to do with SQL server 12. Now here give the password. Now click on connect. Now hereafter it's connected, double click there. Now here you can see add here SQL server 12 now. Now hereafter the next thing is I'm going to cancel that one. Now add here you can see. So here you can see add here SQL Server 17, and here this is SQL Server, and here SQL Server 12. So this is the main benefit of central management service. So we can do list of instance of SQL Server. After that we can do any kind of query, creation of database like other things on here on a list of SQL Server. If you want, here you can do on 17. If you want, then here you can do 14, and here after you can do on 12. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.